Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in this video I'll be showing how I achieve this eye look. If you're interested in seeing it, then stay tuned. Okay, so first off I'm just going to apply my P.Louise base on my eyelid. Just a little bit of it. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. Now that that's all done, I'm just going to go ahead, take that brush and just blend out the harsh ends. My eyeshadow, I'm using the Zaron Splash palette. I'm just gonna take that black shade. And I'll just press it on all over my eyelid. Okay, that is good. And then we will come back into the same palette and take. Then I'm going to take the burnt orange shade from the same palette. I'm just gonna use that to blend out the black shade. I'm gonna pause for a second and admire my handwork. Going back in with more of the black shade on my eyelid to make it more sharp. And that's it for that. And now I'm using my Higa and Esther makeup seal with an orange pigment for eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up this mess at the end with my angle brush. Where's that angle brush? This angle I'm applying mascara on my lashes. And I'm going back in with the burnt orange in the inner corner of my eye, and then doing my eyeliner, waterline with brown pencil, and then applying mascara on my bottom lashes. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in my next one.